Welcome to the Database Dojo. Today we're going to talk about the select clause. However, before we do that, I want you to see how we store data in a relational database. In a relational database, we store data in tables. Tables have columns and rows. Think of columns as what kind of information, and this is the vertical component of the table. And rows are the entries or records for that kind of information. And this is the horizontal part of the table. We use the select clause to retrieve data stored in a table. Select displays a table, and select retrieve rows from 0 or more tables. This means that we can use the select clause to perform operations and return results without interacting with the table. And I'm going to show you that with an example in a few minutes. Before that, I just wanted to tell you about the from clause. The from clause is what we use to specify the table that we want to work with. Again, in other words, we use from to indicate the table that we want to work with after we do the select clause. And let me show you an example now. I am here in PG Admin, which is a management tool for PostgreSQL. And I have a database here, and I have a few tables. As you can see, I have 14 tables. However, in this video, we're only going to work with one. And let me show you how to use the select clause. So we type select. And to say, I want to work with the categories table, and I want to see everything in the category table. To say everything in SQL, we use star. And as we learn from categories. So this is the SQL statement to see everything from the categories table. So let me run this query. We do F5 for shortcut. I love SQL because how we talk is kind of like SQL. We can say, oh, please select everything from this table, right? It's just like just regular speaking. That's why I love SQL, and that's something that we can learn from SQL. Before you write a query, think about it of like how would you say it. So that's just a quick tip. As you can see here, I have everything on this table. Select from categories. However, let's say that I don't want to see everything. Here I have a picture, but I cannot even see the picture. And I have a category ID. It looks like a bunch of numbers. Let's say that I don't know what that is. And I just want to see the category name, and I just want to see the description. To do that, we use the select list, and that just basically means list whatever columns you want to see. So in this case, I just want to see the category name, comma, description, right? I only want to see the category name and the description from categories. Let me go ahead and run this script. As you can see, I only give those two. Simple. So that's basically it for the select clause. However, there is one more thing that we saw at the beginning. We said that the select clause can be retrieve rows from 0 or more tables. You don't need to have a table to use the select clause. You can use it to perform mathematical operations or to do something else, something that you want to see displayed. So in that case, let's see how we can do that. I can do select, and I'm gonna do, let's say 1 + 1 semicolon, and the semicolon is very important because the semicolon represents the end of the statement. So let's say that you have a few of these, let's say that you have many queries, this is gonna tell SQL, okay, I'm done. This is gonna tell SQL, okay, I'm done with this one. Please move to the next one. So that's why the semicolon is very important. If you come from another programming language like C++, that will make sense to you. If not, just know that the semicolon is very important because that indicates the end of your query. So I'm gonna do select 1 plus 1. As you can see, I get the result in table form, which is 2. I get this row and the row is 2. It's not only, let's do something else. Let's do something like 8 times 2, for example. Execute the query. Nice. Think of the select clause as something that you use when you want to display information. And again, you can use it from with a table or without a table. One last thing, I just wanted to show you, if you wanted to display just a word or, the word or your favorite animal, for some reason, let's say that you want your favorite animal is an elephant. That's my favorite animal, elephant. Here, I have single quotes because in SQL, we have data types, which is that's a lesson for another video. But I just wanted to show you a quick tip of how you can just do something with simple text. So let's go ahead and do select elephant. And as you can see, I get that as a row. And that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching. Again, this is the Database Dojo, and I hope you have a great day.